The year 2042. Constant mistrust and hatred amongst nations has plunged the world into nuclear war. Millions perished as a result, signaling the end of human civilization as we know it. Survivors of the nuclear apocalypse now live under factions and cloud their existence, competing among themselves for survival. The survivors of the former island nation of Temasek belongs to the Western Republic and Eastern Alliance. They battle on this day. 1st March 2043 will be remembered in history.
Men! The day has come for us to show the world how far we have come. From destruction, the Western Republic rose up to show what we are made of. That. We may come from different backgrounds and walks of life, but today we are brothers.
As the battle progressed, we sustained more casualties at the front line. The wounded started to quickly fill up the casualty collection point. Being a ground commander isn't easy. When you're up in front, troop morale goes up. Blaze and I move up to try to take out as many Eastern Alliance troops as much as we can. That's when I got hit. I see someone.
Liza evacuates me back to the company.
My medics patch me up. As night falls, we ditch our gear in an effort to capture the flag and gain control of the area. We had a bloody good plan, but we were no match for the EAF snipers.
No, fuck off! Somebody shoot him! Shoot him!
I get hit again.
So guys, that's the end of gameplay. Western Republic lost. We lost serious ground and we are losing territory. So the next one we will up our game and give the Eastern Alliance hell.